Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 8.14.3 and we are going to create a compressed star file. So you need to create a backup copy of the /sales directory. You have decided to use star to create the backup. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to create a compressed archive of the /sales directory and all of its content. Name the file /sales bkp.star.gz and save it in the root directory. So that is all we need to do in this lab. So I guess we'll go ahead and start lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to our wide array of educational video materials to help you with any of the lab at all. Alright, so this has loaded. We open our terminal and from the first task we are going to type in TAR space dash ZCF space dash /sales BKP .star.gz. and then space /sales and then you press enter and then we'll go ahead and score lab. Alright, so if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms, on educational websites and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and what have you, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.